Okay, let's go.
Yeah, Livevybz.
I know I'm blessed.
That's right.
I close my eyes and smile. Sometimes I feel like the richest man in Babylon. And I've done my best.
Girl, I get the money if you make you mine. If you're loving every life, you make you mad. Now only you give me love and make me nice, nice. Come rewind. Girl, I get the money if you make you mine. If you're loving every night, you make you mad. Now only you give me love.
World big. World big.
Outside. Next time, yeah.
Beat.
How would that? Did you buy that? How would that? Top girl, wait a minute. Top girl. Top girl.
Gyalis Jay.
Spend cash on your pum pum, you
Link in bio.
Chroma scenes with the 2 grand kicks. Some bad dolly, you say with the full of antics. Phone load up a gal that we say pics. Slave master when we they pull up them whips. Gather social chippy stack them chips. Can't make them your money if you boy con this. If you chatty binds, I go stitch them lips. Yo, world thing, I got a swag pop tag. LV shows match with the Louis box. Me no mismatch, me no mix brand that wrong. If you step on my shoes, you step on 3 grand. Designer expensive, watch a Cartier. Chain goose for a far, make gyal draw near. Where we go? Diabetic food with the rooftop drip. Chroma scenes with the 2 grand kicks. Some bad dolly, you say with the full of antics. Phone load up a gyal that we say pics. Sleep master when we they pull up them whips. Get a social chippy stack them chips. Can't make them your money if you boy con this. If you chatty binds, I go stitch them lips. That's what pop tag. LV.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, Livevybz.
I know I'm blessed.
That's right. Don't want to hear none of that shit. Let me open up the thing, cause right now.
My apologies, brother.
My phone down. I'm turning it on silent. My phone is on silent and we're active, guys. What going, everybody? What going? A late start, but we here.
Nigga here now.
We here. Again, this your boy Gyalis Jay.
That the sour.
And introducing yourself. Come here, bother with this. Not supposed to know.
Dre, the mechanic, them, they don't know.
Is
When
it?
you're done, you need to link us right away.
Anytime.
Why do niggas do the card sales shit like some fucking hot sex hotline? Link us right away.
Right
Anytime. Like, what the fuck?
I mean, that's steroids, isn't it? What's the car engine?
But
Brad me again.
Nadia, y'all can call me Ho.
Huh?
Nadia, y'all can call me Ho. Is that not my thing?
yo, no,
I definitely hear hope.
it sounded like you said.
Yeah, it did. I didn't hear hoe. I ain't gonna lie. It did sound like you said hoe at
That's
first.
why I was like, what
You
the
know what?
fuck?
You know what? I'll go like this. And I'm done talking
Anyway,
tonight.
she said hope.
Hope.
H-O-P-E.
Yeah, hope she learned to enunciate her word.
Hope.
Oh, I thought it was something different.
This nigga, 10
I'm
minutes
sorry.
later. Everybody know Tall Man, he come out of captivity.
I know a tall man, the girl in favorite organ room.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, so.
See, that is a
Inappropriate.
sex line.
Yeah. Got a point there, yo.
Yo, Bucky, do it, please. So right now, people, you don't know, this is Vybz Friday again. With the sorry for the late start. Everybody's here and more people to follow. And this week is our game week segment. But before we get into that part, just a quick check-in. And you haven't been here.
About 3 months.
And I know it's like family stuff. You and your family been traveling, your son and all of that
We'll
stuff.
do a few things, man.
Get us caught up in how you been, my nigga.
Oh, man, you know, I've been chilling, man. We've been enjoying life, man. Relaxing, working, man. Same thing, different day, man. Just been different places.
Glad to have you back, man.
Right. How
be
you feel?
back, man.
You don't feel like a you look like you probably the guest. You like a guest.
You know what I mean? That's what I mean. It all started. It all started, man, back in like, man, 1993, man. It's before he was even born. he wasn't even thought of yet, man. Way back in the day.
Yeah. So who else? How was your week? You know what, Park? How was your week?
Yo,
My week.
how are this shit?
Ricky over that couple of days. Where's stool? Where you put the stool?
In the kitchen, bro.
Put your chair over so Ricky can put the stool. That's all.
I don't want to stool in the kitchen. What white something there?
El Cocaína.
I had the same question while I was there, yo.
All right, guys. A joke.
Remember say you bro.
This is all
But like I
props.
said, people. Yeah.
This is all props.
No problem. So we're checking. Everybody said them good and things.
Asham.
So, bro,
That's that then.
and before we get into the fun part of the show, since everything is going on around the world right now, you know, weekly we check in and get updates on this war because we gotta be prepared and be agile. I know these niggas not putting their ear to nothing and listening to nothing. Because if I ask anybody put your glasses back on. Because if I ask anybody right now, give me an update on what they heard. Who got none?
Son, Bam Adebayo just scored 83 points on some bullshit, son. He beat Kobe records.
I said war. This nigga.
That's a fucking war, son. Yeah, son. How you beat Kobe record on some bullshit, son?
All right.
Like, that's a war for me right there, bro.
Yeah, fuck Bam Adebayo.
That's a fucking war.
Yeah,
man.
but let me tell you when me find out this week. If you don't know.
Look, you gotta look it up. Talk about us.
No, I gotta get my notes.
One thing doing, I realize, say, yo,
Bucky, you over there for a reason.
80% of mankind, bro, they live for technology and they still don't know what going on with the war and things.
Same thing me and that, bro.
Including
Like
myself,
Bucky.
yeah, so.
Like, me my most example was sit down with this brother I always sit down with 4 computers and 2 phones and a tablet.
I don't know nothing about the
You
war.
know what's
I
so
don't know
crazy
nothing outside
about
of
the
that.
war, yo? You know what's so wild about the war, though? That's crazy to me. That's different from any other time.
No, without that,
Is that they actually filming shit. Like it's actually you can actually watch live feeds and live streams and shit, yo. That shit is crazy.
This is one of the
yo.
craziest shit that I'm pretty sure never.
And I know that ain't never happened before.
This ain't never. That's one of the things never crossed nobody's mind. But you know what I noticed? This is how I know wars are fake. Because
Wars are fake.
in a sense of not the people dying part is real. They're using us as like they don't give a fuck. But as far as
I mean, she know the real
the people, imagine, right? There's a war where people shooting at each other, right? Mm-hmm. And the press could go stand in the middle and report. And just because he have press on his shirt, he got some kind of
immunity or some shit.
Like,
Yeah, that shit is crazy.
What kind of war?
But you also got to think too nowadays, man. We live in a time where cell phones and cameras is easily accessible as anything, man. You got a great camera on your phone in your hand at all times, yo. People was just literally turning their phones on and recording shit, yo. Turning it live on. Yeah, it's meta glasses. Like I'm saying, like that shit ain't just here. That shit is everywhere.
Especially one of the jets that crashed.
I don't want to ask a question. I want to state a statement.
Well,
okay.
My statement is: are y'all sure this is fake news? Because it's not.
What's fake news?
The reporters that be in like the situation, like the reporting situation.
Oh, that'd be bullshit.
That's not how you have AI now. That's AI.
Yeah, that's bullshit.
They are not there.
Nah.
Oh, okay.
Nah, that's bullshit.
There,
They'd have been shot
what
at.
happened?
They'd have been shot at.
My friend that
Yeah.
got blown up by ID. Guess where they would have been at with him too.
No, but talking about that, there was a then still getting reports on it. Sometime in the week, there was a British reporter reporting in Lebanon, and the report allegedly one of the Jerry Curl people dropped was one of their bombs.
Jerry Curl people is crazy.
Yeah, one of their bombs dropped right next to the reporter.
That is wild, bro. I do not support that. I just want to put that out there,
I didn't
y'all.
say nothing.
This nigga said Jerry Curl people. That's crazy.
Just right here. But anyway, as far as that goes, they said on New York Post that Iran sent another warning to the U.S.
I hope they did.
And that's what I'm saying.
That's my own.
And that's what I'm saying. Of all these things, how much of this are we taking serious?
So this is my question for you then, man. Because we've had this discussion before. Not this discussion, but we've we've talked about other things along these lines before. What is your plan? What plan do we need to formulate as a group?
How to get the fuck
For
out.
what if something happens?
We need to get out before shit. And we
We ain't got to talk about it right now on air and
Okay.
all of that. But I'm saying, like, in all reality, if things was to go to shit, and
I already gave you a kind of format in that.
yeah, but I feel like that if that's the case, man, because I know how heavy all of y'all stand on community in the village. We need to set some time. Do you feel like we need to fix some time to actually discuss some shit?
Some real shit.
Yeah, all right.
If y'all want my
That's
help,
how serious you are about it. That's why I asked.
If
y'all want my help, I got y'all.
Like I said.
If y'all want my help, I got you.
Like I said.
Oh, you gonna be a lister? Don't worry.
It's like it's the point where people always think that they're untouchable. They get touched. And America's in that phase right now. You know what I mean? Wifey that still, but them act like and Mir said enough body them get sent back over here. So
bro.
moving forward onto other update. Did y'all hear about? They say we're supposed to or we're gonna have a water shortage. Did anybody come across that?
I said no for my friend in
water shortage? I know, but like a water.
Where where at in the world or
yeah,
like
well, here in America.
In America.
Well, cause them from Mr. They said because it's in Florida. Because the AI software, the center, the factory where they keep all those processing machines and computer, they take a lot of cooling. So I guess from that, they're using so much water to cool that shit down. They're trying to tell people to limit the water they use down there in that area. So
that's probably in that area though. Too.
No, but that's what they're trying to say.
In Florida.
It's coming up.
In Florida. You want me to call somebody from Florida right now?
Y'all pause what y'all say in Florida.
Nah, I don't know. I don't think I believe that one, man. Water's one of the biggest. That's one of the biggest natural resources that we got out here. That is the biggest natural resource that we have.
You can make water though. You can make water. Like you don't have to do all that fucking like going through a river. Put
Is it 80% of the world covered by water?
A cactus and plants.
Yeah, like it's water. You could get water. I feel like it's
clean it.
To run out of water would take a lot of time. Like we didn't see movies and everything like that, but that would take a lot of time. It'd be generations past us.
Yes.
I believe that too. What the fuck?
Like,
but remember, so they in control of all of that, you know.
I mean, you're right. I mean, they playing with the weather machine right now. Shit, how this weather been lately?
Cause nigga,
they playing with the weather machine.
Talking about that. We left Gyalis City yesterday.
How gas went up overnight.
Nigga,
let's talk about that.
No, me I tell
how gas. It was you blinked and gas was high as a bitch. Like the fuck.
No, like back to that. Me Gyalis City for the weather and the gas to Gyalis City yesterday. Sun, nice, pretty. All this man. By the time we reach up here, I see shit to coming up. But I'm driving down there. Man, I want to go Civic in on that Civic in a dog. Me know say that no take more than $40.
Right.
For full. Me did a pump in and me just, in the zone out and me look on the gas pump, me say 45. And I know empty me a pump from me.
It still wasn't full.
I'm like, what the fuck? So I panic, I'm like, hey yo.
Did I over?
Yeah, so by the time that was going there and the gas price was at like 69, 370.
Mm-hmm.
And by the time we followed up, nigga, that shit is like 380, 385.
Yep. That shit damn near $4, yo.
I'm like, what the
that shit is no joke.
Y'all gotta understand. Trump said he was doing all this, and y'all still.
Nah, it's just crazy. That shit happened overnight. He said he was doing it.
Only, yeah.
I mean, I could stop him, so I don't know why
you can. Nobody. As a community of black people,
keep getting gas. I had to get gas. I needed gas.
None of us could have stopped him. No matter how much we came together as people, we couldn't have stopped them.
Yeah, I think that.
We can do half the country and they'd be like, alright, half of y'all votes don't matter. So,
I mean, that's what they're showing now in a sense. But
I mean, y'all waited too long to realize it.
Not y'all, it's them.
I mean,
I never vote.
It's his people turning against him now.
But who am I?
Yeah, so move on from Uncle.
Uncle John.
Sponsor, what going?
Pony better and I wonder what the white something up on the table same.
I am on black, oh God almighty. You know that I work out for you tonight, you know.
Black,
You see my black Ricky and I alone, bro.
But like me, I said, oh, we forgot to shout out our sponsors, talk about that. One Love Window Cleaning, Caribbean Spice, DNK Catering. Who else me forget?
Always all in.
Yeah, always all in is fucking crazy. All in Podcast Network. Shout out to you. You ain't been here in a minute. That's crazy. Like I said, shout out to all Livevybz production. 9Vybz, Dirty Bucky there, but in my eye, didn't be here today. One night they are same way. Oh, we have Mr. Nami. Oh, yeah. Shout out Rumbas International. Nigga, Father Tommy party last week. Talk about that shit.
Oh, yeah. Tell me about that.
Boy!
I seen the pictures, yo.
And then the after party.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, my God. Shout out Joe Young. Big bad DJ from New York City. But yeah, that shit was a vibe last week. And shout out Father Tommy and Caribbean Spice. Last weekend lit. Let me tell you, last week back out for Rochester. And I'll tell you Puncha last week. Tear
Tear up road, bro.
Tear up.
Anybody
home, bro?
Anybody go to Conscience?
Hell yeah.
Anybody go to Conscience?
Nah, not me.
Conscience came to us, bro.
Yeah.
Type shit.
Hey, and there's a lot of niggas in that fucking shit. Rochester ain't shit. He was like, Rochester's the only place I would call the nigga come get me or something. He.
Yeah, take it wrong, bro.
Take it wrong.
What me miss?
He said
conscience came to me.
He said came to us.
They said
No,
us.
he said they
He
did.
came to him.
No, he didn't.
No, he didn't. He said
No,
came
what's
to us.
that?
Yes,
Yes,
bro.
us, but he can't come to
us, bro.
Yeah.
And then you went
He did say
take
us,
it wrong.
I know. Wait, that boy over
Where
here.
your mind's at, yo? What you thinking, bro?
Let me say, shout out Conscience and Joe Young. One back.
Don't wire up a thing, bro.
Yeah, shout
Shout
out
out
Momo
Conscience,
too.
man. Shout out Rocky B.
Oh,
It's
yo,
her birthday
me tell you
too, yo.
I mean, I want to talk about Rocky still, you know, but when Rocky did left Uncle Tommy party, I got on feet did I hold up Rocky. God bless the man that will help him guard the car because, oh God almighty.
Ras.
Shit, Rock come out.
Me say,
come in.
I saw Rocky going on the car. Rocky feels his hush.
Not only that, talk about what guest last week. Jay.
Yo, Sharika! Oh God almighty. Me not say nothing still.
Yo,
Me not say nothing.
It was a lot of them.
She was late. She was late.
Bro,
She came there every weekend. She came there every
Bro, she
weekend.
was like falling on the floor.
After you left, you never came.
No.
Everywhere she
He
was.
said talk
What she was
after you
drinking?
left. He never came to
Talking
you.
about Friday.
They were drinking wine, bro. I don't know how the
Damn.
fuck she
Oh
drunk.
yeah. After you left, after you
Yo,
left.
talk about my friend come party and she lit.
Yo.
And the floor slippery. Everybody knows
Slippery,
slippery.
right? Yeah, always
slippery.
slippery. Yeah, that's always slippery.
That's
nothing.
if we were grip.
What you mean?
Nah, Sky Lounge floor do be. Yeah.
Any for a good
No, it was.
Yeah, but
I done seen plenty of people fall on that floor, yo.
I mean, when I wasn't dancing, but when other people was dancing, I saw them slip.
I done seen plenty people fall.
Yeah,
on that.
Yeah, I almost slipped a few times.
Yeah.
When I was dancing.
Like, glad I got impeccable balance.
I wasn't
Whatever
dancing. I don't know
did.
what that
Whatever
felt
did.
like.
More forward with them, man. We have all of them video. He must still edit them up because most of them think they, especially after the GoPro, if you use the GoPro with the camera footage.
Bro, I don't know what kind of candle light them don't have a shine here.
Can't be like them. Can't be like them.
Man, I
show
first
up,
power bad light. I say I go and still, but yesterday, last week, they go on, man. But we're going to go on with yourself next week. But we leave on to that. But without further ado, because, like we said, we're there on a time crunch.
Yeah, we need that.
Tonight, people, our game night.
You know how to play.
And one, put that fix the camera down a little bit. Because I want to see what go on if you can't see what go on the table. So this I know me say, but I say it on the internet. And the gist of this is this is so right here so now at the base with all of this string right here so, and all these strings are connected to a plate. All these strings right here are connected to a plate. And each plate got some shit on it, and whatever is on the plate, if it's a food, you gotta eat the food. Shot, drink, you gotta drink the drink. And the white stuff are flour, so you already know what we're gonna do with the flour. Type shit.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
So that's why I said, I don't know where you just up to say that you're going to change back in the other sweater.
Yeah,
So,
right, bro.
yeah,
Come on,
go
man.
change. Go change back in the other sweater and forward back, dog.
Me not play. I'm not gonna mix it up on my left and stuff.
Then you're not going to mix it up.
I gotta mix it up. I gotta mix it up in the dark. Yeah, I gotta mix it up.
Go on with Ricky, your blood clot.
No, Ricky, me nah make Ricky drive me home.
Why?
You're right. No, why you want to dark? That's all right. When I'm the settings, my yo, Ricky, I go crash.
Don't say that.
Never see me crash.
Ricky, I gotta go junk and kill it and kill myself in a liquor.
Question. Out of all of the virgin them on the power.
Yeah, we if you don't drive
Me
in.
always go around when I go party and who are the one that help you?
Yeah.
Wait.
Jay, be safe.
Yeah. This one you say that.
Question. Out of all the world we got party, exactly.
Give me a cup.
This is what I got to clear. Yo, we got money around that.
What?
I gotta mix it up. Party after that.
Yo, what is?
Hold on. Bring that to the camera. Show the camera.
Yeah, I see it you do last week, dog.
Somebody show the camera.
This is,
Give me a cup. Give me a cup.
Somebody, yeah. Bring in the camera upon that.
my God.
You can't see.
I don't
Look them my yard.
take it from me.
That's his shot?
Don't take my
Oh, yeah,
Red Bull
he
in a
don't care
boy.
about himself.
Who hurt you? Yeah, that's all.
That
Power.
countryman, man.
Oh.
Give that drink out of this.
You realize?
Go there. Go.
And that's so
So the could tell myself to bring some chaser.
Cheers are there.
Come could I bring a boom in?
What?
Yo, yeah,
Drink rum, man. I want boom on it.
What?
Yo, yeah.
Alright.
Somebody take this one from outside of me, dog. I don't know why in the house.
Put on your rum. Put on your rum, dog.
Alright.
Put on your rum.
What's that boy? I go boom, buddy. Okay, that's boom,
Put on your rum. Alright, so ready now. So like me say, the string them here, so you know, pay attention now.
Yeah, man.
So I'm gonna move it. Let me move it to a phone real quick. Out of the way, up to this side.
Pussy most.
I'll move that cup there too, bro.
Walk up. Move it center cup, it's okay. Doctor. Yeah.
Listen.
So alright people, the rules of the game. All these strings right here is connected to a plate. Oh shit. Fridge. Yeah, everything that is connected to the plate. Each string right here is connected to a plate. And whatever string you pull, whatever plate move, that's what you gotta pull and use. If it's food, you gotta eat the food. Shot, whatever. I remember the spoon. And yeah, and the flour to the
These
face.
nasty ass crackers on here, man.
Exactly. You know,
That's
people
gonna be
don't
the
know
worst
that.
part.
Probably dry.
Of course.
Choke your foot.
Oh yeah, and the biscuit.
I Papa,
Go
whipped
for
cream.
biscuit. Go for your biscuit too. Put 2 biscuits on the plate.
Hey, yo.
I'm on face off to go full
Yo,
with
that's
cream in
crazy,
Go
yo.
for Popeye's biscuit there.
Bro, Popeye's biscuit is crazy work, bro.
Yo, share up the last people. We out there fully active.
Son.
Me not play.
Nah, bro. I'm out. If it's a Popeye's biscuit,
Go take one shot out the room and fall, but you're not playing. The fuck you do?
Sitting there, you know, see my clothes clean tonight.
son, so if I put, it's really a pot. This is crazy work,
My
yo.
black clothes.
Bro, this ain't fair.
You put 3 per plate.
You know what the worst?
No,
Fuck
2 per
outta
plate.
here.
2 per plate. 2 per
Who
plate.
eat that?
No, the worst.
2 per plate. I kill that.
Who about to eat that?
No, you. Alright, easy, bro. Full up Papa wife face with
Batty man!
Nah.
Batty.
No, nah. So no, I'm Batty man.
That's it, son.
Ricky.
Nah, son, I already got flour on it.
Okay.
Cause they know some niggas straight, bro.
So me not straight too.
Where?
We get pussy down here, you know.
Alright, I know that we are talking about on the show today. I know that they showed it today. Next week we talk about it.
Hold on. Me want him prove.
No, Ricky.
fuck is
Ricky.
this shit,
It won't prove it. We don't know why I'm
Prove it.
Because I'm a bum.
Prove it.
Yo, hear me I say.
We not prove nothing, man.
Alright, so let's start right now.
Bro, I'm not playing, son.
Yeah, so now you're forward.
Alright, doctor.
Because this is how we gonna select who go
He
first.
don't know me. He don't know
Doctor,
me.
you just forward back. Me don't know you.
Dream don't know me.
This
He don't know
crazy.
say even if it was a panty, could get more pussy than me.
I sleep panty.
Nah, you alone do that. Me do finger test though.
What?
Whoa.
So your taste.
I'm just so glad I'm not.
Maybe you do finger test.
Okay, that test you do?
Cause if you ask me if you know, I don't know. You ask me.
So you just have to find a girl and just jump in and say,
No, that's how you have to put your finger.
yeah, put your hand on the head and smell it.
Hey, what's up with this?
Alright, so
Okay, warn me. Let me know the rules before we start this shit.
whatever you pull, and if it's a cup, we're gonna pour you a shot and you take it. So
I thought it was
A shot
everybody
of what?
pour their own.
Alright.
no, yeah,
Yeah, I eat that, man.
you got chasers here.
Crazy,
I'm
bro.
gonna cry.
Alright, so right now,
I'll
this
go
is how we
first.
about to pick who go
This
first.
is a rum
Bucky.
belly boy.
We're gonna do nose goes, so anybody do it, count it off.
Alright, but.
What we do? What me fi do?
Nose goes.
Count Bucky, quick. You gotta do too slow. They
Nose
might
and
expect you.
go.
What the blood clot?
Go.
Alright, first begin.
Yeah, Ricky. Ricky,
Reset, no, go.
Ricky.
Ricky, man.
Tell them this, I'm not.
Yeah.
If I'm not him,
It's him and
alright,
Ricky.
my
It's
bad.
him and Ricky.
I told him.
Alright, Jerome.
Ricky's drunk.
First victim. First victim.
Jerome draw.
No, you gotta draw too.
Me?
Yeah.
Wait, wait, no, yeah.
After him.
No, if him not, if that is the observer,
Pick one.
If Ricky get the
Shot.
Alright.
fill him up.
No, let it. Turn that upside down, man. Turn that upside down.
I got you.
Where's scissors? You cut that.
I cut it.
This one.
No,
I know.
it was this one.
No, that one. There.
I was.
Pull
Pull it again.
can't play at that, me I go.
Oh yeah.
What's that?
That is an observer
Wait.
Yeah, next time.
Next time.
You should have tell me something.
That's crazy, bro. Nah, bro.
We gotta cut it.
I
Alright, we'll just.
That
yeah,
shit
we'll just turn it
crazy.
upside
Yeah,
down.
where people close
As
it.
you can save. No, we saved it.
No, okay, it's a different one.
Yeah.
So what on?
Nah, bro.
That look
It's his turn.
righteous enough.
Over there. Right
What?
there.
You don't condone them violence, you know.
I said I can't do the finals.
Star man next.
Cause Jay,
Make it go west then since Star man.
No.
No, man,
Jay.
make it go west. It's too much
So
passing
Jay,
pass.
you want to do all the way, man, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Star man
One.
next. One.
Really like it?
Wait. No, that. Pull.
Keep pulling.
Pull this.
Oh,
Wait, we quick. I two of them. Take up that. You fucker, you. I two of them. Alright, you fucker, you. Yeah. You bumbo hole, you. Come here, your blood clot. Dr. Saw, give me next plate.
Can I do the other one?
Oh, yeah. One at a time, yeah, Dr. Saw. Killing blood clot, yes. Yeah.
two of them one time.
Wait. What?
Damn.
If Doc say no, play.
Ricky, I already have
Okay, wait. I need the net.
I feel bad.
I had fun.
You have fun.
I had fun.
You're
Bumbo
fucked.
clot.
So that white.
Put
Yeah.
that for the edges.
Nah, wait,
of
if
that
you stop.
I'm here, white dog.
Alright, yo, I got the next one, yo.
Alright, fuck it. I guess
Hey, Dr. Saw.
Oh, y'all go for this.
Well,
Yeah,
one at a time. Next
No,
victim.
go ahead, man.
Buckler, dog. Get there.
Keep pulling.
Pull.
Keep good.
Keep pulling. Yeah, pull one.
I win get.
That's mine.
Where are the phones?
Pass.
Pull up picture. Oh, flower. Hey, no. I mean. No, we don't want no revenge. No, we don't want no revenge. Yeah, no, we don't want no revenge. No, I got this.
No.
I got this.
So what I don't have to beg for my boy. So
Exactly. Why?
No, it might be. He can't do.
A rotation.
Yeah.
Let me.
Oh yeah, add more.
Damn.
Yo, let me do it. I'm not in time for do it.
I want to string the way you pull, brother. Like this.
That right there. Pull it.
Bro, just turn the plate over.
No,
No,
man.
pull it. Yeah, we eliminate the plate.
Yeah, it's. Oh.
Yeah, I'm telling you, show the cat.
Hey, come on, your blood clot.
Get some side with it out.
You ready?
1, 2, 3.
Damn. Rub it in. Whoa.
Wow.
Wait, turn on.
Okay. It's his turn. I'm gonna go after you.
Yo.
Your turn. Okay.
I just went.
Okay.
Your turn.
People in the chat, what go on?
I'm trying to say, I walk on this weekend.
Oh my god.
Yes! Hold that. Pull. Wait.
Stop touching shit.
Pull.
That's the problem.
Keep pulling.
No, keep pulling. Pull.
Come on. Sit and pull that.
Pull.
That can be a
No. Hey! Pull the same one for me bite your blood clot. Pull it. How that a move? A flower?
Yes.
Wait. Dre got it.
Wait. I see you do me.
No, you can't do that to the person who
Okay,
does it.
wait.
One more time, two of them have to do it.
Wait. Okay, wait.
One more floor.
Drum.
Wait.
Yo,
that need more floor, bro. That need more floor, bro.
You can't be that shit up more floor. Come there.
Damn, me a chat so whole floor.
Drum.
Damn, this stupid thumb.
That's a lot of fucking shit. No. Alright.
Go so back.
Alright, come on, you're a soldier. Come in.
I see you go. Let me cover your ear.
No, we don't cover your ear, man.
Come.
Put on the earth.
Wait.
What's here go?
I got it. Just don't put it in my hair.
No, you not put it in your ear.
Cover your
Drum.
Get off me. Me don't want my shirt now. See you. Put on your hair.
Too much assistance at one, you know. No, bro.
Come in, Jerry. Ready?
Come here.
Take a time.
What him? What you?
I'm not doing redo on that one.
Bro, it's shit father. Finish this thing now.
Me don't want to take part in that.
What happened? Damn,
He
yo.
just finished the mark like. Yeah.
Oh, damn. They stepping down.
Bro.
Yo. Step on the carpet.
Get off my
justice.
Get off my foot.
Right. You good?
Take it. It's on my fucking foot. Don't show my toes, bro.
You take off your go.
That's a significant appearance right now.
Alright, who next?
Yeah, who next? You.
Alright, so.
Bucky knew he was doing that participating.
Yeah, that Bucky over here talking shit.
Nah, I see what you did there, bro.
Alright. Who next?
Listen.
I see what you did.
I Jerome next.
You always skip you.
You next and then me,
No,
bro.
always skip you.
You just go.
I already went.
Yo, Jerome, are you next in the damn phone?
Go. DeAndre. No, you're not pulling us straight.
You don't pull us. You don't pull us.
Pull us straight. Oh, yeah, man, pull us straight. You even go like Trump. Pull us straight.
Alright. My turn.
I mean, I hold him in.
Chat. Wait for me.
Don't worry about the chat, bro. Go, bro.
Right, go, bro.
Alright.
Yo, set him out now.
Let me hold it down for you.
Why? Batman.
Yeah, that
You don't hold it down. That's why we tape it down. You don't have to hold it down.
Let me get my glasses.
Where we put it?
Look at
Could be my hesitate too much, you know, I mean, like,
Yeah, too much distractions.
Yeah.
Go on, man. Alright, go.
No, I changed them there. You know what you want to clap him do. Yo, you don't like that.
Next! How did I first victim?
Give my fucking sock back. I'm not dealing with this shit.
Pray before you do it, dear.
It's alright.
I want to
It'll be dry.
Alright, pull.
Dre next.
I'm not doing it.
Yeah, boom, forward. See if I'm lucky again. Lucky.
No, I hope you get your face smashed.
Oh, me?
Hey,
Him and you, Jerome, because you owe me.
Yes!
Oh.
Yeah, no.
That's somebody else have to do it when I do it. No.
My turn. My turn.
Wait, let me cut it down. Wait. Why you sing when you pull out?
Come.
Yeah, man, all black, bro.
Black.
Yeah, man, why is that?
Take off your shirt, dog.
Pull the string when you pull.
shirt.
Where you sing when you pull?
Pull the string when you pull.
Tommy, when you get up from popping them in the, well,
Yo.
smacking them in the face,
Come,
give
give
me
me
your
some.
oh.
Give me a
Right.
roll.
Alright, give me.
Oh, you want you off it? No, why
No,
not?
go back there, go back
Come,
there.
Lord.
Go back there.
Got you, man. Got you. Yes.
Yeah,
No,
go back there.
bro. Easy, dog. Easy.
Respect
Bro,
the
we
string.
don't know.
One half a scoop.
Yes, but even fit as a man.
Yeah, we're going to put as a man in.
Okay, no. Tommy.
Yeah, over the table, in front of the camera.
Go over there. Cause,
Man, that's good.
yeah, I'm not doing all that shit.
Wait. Make it for the camera. Yes, yeah.
Simon, one side for you.
Shit, bullshit right now.
What you man have put on? Come on. You can come back.
Bomb
Buckler.
crack up.
Hey, come. Put that man. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, man.
The show each other.
Why is your fuck? I can't delay your father.
Are you? I'll tell you next. That's over.
Bro, look how the house look.
We cleaning this shit tonight.
Alright, watch out for a second. I got my whole body fucking.
Fuck.
Yeah, man.
Bro, can I pick again?
Hold on.
Go on.
Cool.
Alright, cool.
Oh, yeah, you gotta eat them biscuits, nigga.
Hey,
Give me a bottle of water, man.
hold on.
Come on, dog.
2 minutes.
Yeah, you have to, and if you don't finish in that 2 minutes, you have to take a shot.
God.
What the fuck?
Yeah, nigga. Biscuits, go!
Timer. Wait. Hey,
You want the
Siri.
timer.
They're not even warm. Can I
Hey,
warm it up or something?
Alright, warm it up.
Let me get a warm up or something.
No, you can't warm it up, bro.
You can't warm it up.
That take too long,
Yeah,
dog.
rule you out, Kenny. You can't warm it up.
What
You can't warm it. You have to eat it down, bro.
Popeye's biscuit?
Yeah, nigga.
Bro, I'll take the whipped cream and the flour.
I take a shot then.
No, I have to do it. Wait, let me set the time.
No, the man can't pay. The man say either either. Says the man say one the shot. The man can't do the shot.
He can't do a shot if you want.
In 2 minutes start.
The 2 minute time, I want to do the shot.
In 2 minutes time. 2 minutes.
Let's try to keep it fair.
Man, I chew
See what
like
I
baby.
Life.
Man, I chew like baby.
Hey, drink the water, bro.
If you're not finished in that 2 minutes, you have to take a shot.
Bro, it's a Popeye's biscuit, bro.
What
the fuck?
Ute, papa, ute. Yeah.
Biscuit, you blood.
Risk it for the biscuit.
Somebody else can go while this is going on, son.
No.
We have a fire, man.
We're at 2 minutes.
We have 1 minute and 15 seconds.
Yo, people on TikTok, share up your life, share up your life.
Yeah, share for life.
Taps and roses, taps and roses.
Tap up his screen.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Drop a donut or a galaxy.
That's a galaxy.
Drop a galaxy.
The rank of them.
I will be rich people in that chat, you know.
That's a be rich people in
So,
that
yo, I want biscuit 1 minute, you know. Yeah, we ready.
He already done.
What seconds we have?
Yo, if boy, I'm going like, watch out.
You just a lot.
Yo, share up the YouTube live, people. I murdered them in the night.
You don't have to take a shot, son.
Share up the YouTube live, man.
I hope they're using the real because
They're real.
they mess up. They mess up.
Everything they mess up.
Using them full of whipped cream and flour.
Look one, Jay, boy.
They are color, man.
Color, yeah? Hey, boy.
Carry them out of the mall.
So you wipe up so fast. You shouldn't wipe off, you know?
Yeah, right, because that shit I'm not getting a shirt good.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? I'm gonna take it.
You clock in.
Run, bro. 9, 8,
That's 10 minutes.
Yeah, 2 minutes.
5, 4.
Well, that's not no way.
Give me shotgun.
Well, like black chicken.
Give me shotgun.
Pour up, bro. So
Hey,
it's chase
I
that.
told you no.
It's not drink that straight enough.
It's
Nah, bro.
Shotty rum, bro.
Okay,
That's son. That's son.
Shotty rum, bro. Yeah, baby.
Do you want a chaser?
Hell yeah.
I remember
Lot
the
of
on
fun,
TikTok
man.
too, bro. So now watch her pour up.
Alright.
No, I know
How
rum
after
back, so
doctor? Nadia. Or tall man.
Why could be done?
Man, try to chase up on the liquor.
Oh, well, I Kenny dangerous.
Shut it, raw, man. Yeah, so, man.
Why couldn't be done?
Yo, the dangerous, you know that?
Yo, go on now, bro.
Why couldn't be done?
Yeah, Ricky, I look for Kid, yo, look how Ricky, I look for him and disgusting too. Like, yo, oh, if me a pour half of this a minute, I take the shot there, how the fuck can do it, yo? How do that?
Pull.
How do you do that?
Pull. Oh, it's a rum shot.
A rum cup. Yeah, shot the rum raw.
Son, this
Shot
shit.
the rum raw.
Shot the rum raw.
Shot the rum raw.
Blood clot rum in there, you know.
Shot the rum raw, man.
Shut the rum raw, man. Fuck up one party, man. Man, they kill the Red Bull, dog. Nah, they kill the Red Bull.
Yeah.
Yo, what you try to kill the man for?
Jay, they can't get the man out of
I'm gonna take the first shot in
Bro, what? Yo, oi, sir. Don't drink that, you know.
Yeah, nah, bro. Shut the rum,
That's too much rum, that, bro.
Yo,
we are
you know, listen to me.
Yo, take a shot, bro.
Pour out half of that. Pour out half of that.
Nah, man, pretty man.
Shut the rum, bro.
This is what happens with young people, you know.
Eh?
Because when they want certain people, I don't take peer pressure. You know?
No worries, Barack.
Me's a man. Me will laugh and fire after me take you up. I promise you that.
I's a man.
I promise you that. I'm in love till I told you so.
Stop it, man.
There you go. Let's go, Kenny. What I'm Kenny dressed in sweat right now.
Top left corner.
You said what?
Go on now.
You said
Drink the
what?
rum raw.
Drink the rum, no man.
Hey, bye.
Producer have to go on me now.
Hey, bye, you gotta drink the rum, bye.
I'm pretty say
That's disgusting shit. That is disgusting shit.
Drink
And
the
I
juice.
hope you are okay.
And don't tell me
That
shit.
is
That's how it is.
Real shit, bro. That's it.
We don't tell myself all that. Me know that.
You
know,
don't.
blood clot.
Paper, I eat that.
He not
Alright.
eating it. He's gonna throw up.
How next? I think a doctor.
Yo, if you feel like you
Dr.
want to
Sour.
turn
I
around.
just went, bro.
Are you?
Me?
Yeah.
I'm just wet.
Bro, I'm not doing
I'll
this.
be doing a chair, bring him.
I had to eat the
Alright,
nasty ass
cross road,
Popeyes
that's
biscuits,
a
yo.
good thing. So you know,
Go Paul.
Alright, I mean next.
Yeah, you next.
Alright, fuck.
I already did mine.
Hold up. Alright, so I'm in under
Jerome.
this.
You next.
Me next.
Bro, how y'all keep pulling them shits, yo?
At this point, I think the game is rigged.
Yeah, I'm definitely get the game rigged, yo.
Jerome
this
finna
ain't
get a
no
shot.
brand
Jerome
rigged
finna
shit.
get a shot.
So,
Get a
I
shot.
know it ain't rigged. This is definitely random.
Pull.
Yo, pull the air, pull. Alright.
Biscuit.
2 minutes.
Biscuit.
2 minutes.
2 minutes, 5 more.
Wait. You can't start the 2 minutes till you invite the biscuit. Why?
Wait.
Biscuit.
So that shit is the worst shit ever, bro.
Biscuit.
I ain't gonna lie to you, bro.
Nigga, I've been
Count it down.
Wait, alright.
Count it down.
Hold on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Go.
Biscuit.
Go on. 2 minutes you have, you know. I gotta take a
Don't make him laugh up, no man.
brother, I'm no fool, you know.
What?
But I use the water and wet
Yeah,
up the
what?
biscuit.
No, Vicky, make it go. Then go on. If you don't, then 2 minutes, you have to take a shot, you know.
What?
Oh.
2 minutes only for time, bro. A minute a biscuit.
I don't mean to try to show the
1 minute, 1
This is
biscuit.
bro. Come here, bro. This is
You niggas ain't eating Popeyes biscuits right now.
Right now, after we done, me have a show you say that can be done in 2
That
minutes.
can be done.
Just cut and swallow, bro.
There's no way you can put that for that.
How much? What the time? 1:20.
Easy, like it's a simple
Throw
time.
me out.
Wet it up.
Nigga.
Wet it up.
Them shits is different, yo. Them shits is not made for consumption like that, yo.
Fuck you, you do I'm biting it.
All the time. 1 minute. Double up.
When did you come in?
Them shits ain't made for consumption like that, yo. I'm telling you, bro, you can't do that. It's not.
It's done.
You're not supposed to do that, yo.
You're
It's
done.
alright.
You're done. You're done. Jerome.
No.
Where my phone then?
Come in. Come on, Jerome now.
Yo, you just already, you know. Yo, the man have his phone in his hand, so I look for his phone.
Get off me.
Just do it here, son. That's 2 minutes, yo.
You're done.
We're at 20 seconds.
20 seconds.
I wanna have a turn.
Right, you know it.
It's biscuits.
You know it, bro.
Give me a shot.
Wait.
Give me a shot.
That shit is the worst, yo.
Give me a shot, bro. Give me a shot.
And he's done.
A
He's
room
not getting
temperature
a seat.
Popeye's biscuit,
He
bro?
is
Come
done.
on, man.
He's done. I don't know why.
Back to the top of your rotation now.
Exactly.
I fool for turn.
So it's your turn. Yeah. Come on, lock into
Alright,
it.
I drew your
You
turn.
gotta sit over here. You couldn't handle it. Go over here. Thank you.
Y'all pour this shot up?
Yo!
Come on, man.
Over
Nah,
there.
y'all got some
Excuse me.
bullshit going on, man.
Get off of
I win
me.
next. Right this one.
Yeah, you gotta sit over there.
I win next. Dre, I will after you.
This nigga.
Tell man.
Oh, up your turn. Me just go, bro.
Dre, just
Still
go.
have the legendary pull.
Go on.
But me just pull so how it go. Me, Ray.
Wait, you.
Pass the rum?
Jay, we skip past
I
here.
pull
Jay,
I
pass the
pull mine.
rum?
So,
No, Tom. Actually, it's Ricky's turn.
how we go next?
It's Rick.
I tell man our Jerry won't figure.
You want me to go? I'll go.
Alright, you go.
All right. If
If
it's some
it's what it
bullshit,
is, you getting whatever it is. You wanna go. Oh, you.
Nah, y'all on some bullshit.
Alright, Jerry.
Oh, never mind.
I know me what
Alright, where you just go?
I just
Oh, you. No, you just go. He just went. So are you then Kenny than me?
Oh, okay, shit.
You hear me say?
Eh?
I don't go wash my clothes. I'm gonna go home look dirty. Woman, I beat me.
You.
Okay.
Oh.
Roots class. How can I change this time?
Y'all got some bullshit going on, man.
You make my
Boom. See?
Talking about we all. You're safe.
That's a Jay, Rick that shit down.
Jerome.
Rick that shit down. Him doing it straight up.
Jerome.
Yes, boy.
No, you're good. Second.
Where me good?
I would.
Bro, that was pull that.
No,
No,
you did
Dr.
already.
Dr.
Oh, yeah.
I didn't do it. I didn't do it.
Wait him, Dr. Sword. Where flower they?
No man, he good man. You
He
can't
sucks. He wouldn't let me smack him in the face.
Get your background.
You want a plate to your face? Pause.
It's a plate.
It's a plate.
Record. Hold on there. Where the camera? Get that camera now.
Yeah, let's get that camera. Everything live. We can go on the live. I'm going to record it.
You see, they look. Wait now.
Look on the camera and then Dr. Saw. Go back where you sit down, bro. Sit down here. And look at the camera right there. So look for the camera. Yeah, smile for the camera. 1, 2, 1, 3.
Oh, but why am I right here? Oh. Oh.
Yes.
Cocaine.
Ian, fire. Yes. Sneeze, no boy.
Wow.
Achoo. Achoo.
Wow.
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 Achoo.
Wow.
Overturn.
Overturn.
Oh my God.
Overturn that. Doctor, you're there.
Yeah, boy, Jay, grab a rum cup.
I might. Oh, Jerry turn. Alright.
Pour a cup over here, boy, my pot. Oh, God.
What the fuck?
Good
Give me one
move.
second.
Nah, your turn.
Jay,
My turn?
Cheat at me.
May I say no, Ali?
I already went.
No, your turn again.
That's what I could have sworn she just went.
I just
No, she went. Your turn.
She after me.
Okay.
I wasn't after you. I was before 1, 2.
That's the one y'all ain't pull out with.
Oh, well, let me cut this.
Whatchamacallit, just Alright, good shit. Yep, there you go.
That no count, you know. So you go on.
That's a piece of the one.
Go on and go on top cheat.
Don't worry.
Oh shit.
Not two.
Right?
2 is crazy.
The second one.
All right.
Yeah, I'm gonna get the second one.
It's Jay's turn.
I already did my turn. Back up off.
Bruh.
Yo, that boy I read.
Go on, no man, stop nice.
It's random, bro.
I do.
I'll tell you if Jay cheated. Here you go.
See?
I'll tell you if Jay cheated.
Yes, so boy Jay food here. Risk it for the biscuit.
2 minutes on the clock.
Yo,
2 minutes.
Eliminate that string. Eliminate that string.
Oh, yeah.
Yo,
somebody
you
put it
hungry,
in life.
bro.
Yeah, turn it on.
This shit is crazy, bro.
I don't even know where
5,
I come from, where I come from.
4,
Come on, damn.
3, 2, 1.
Go. God damn.
Hey.
Bomb.
You mean you?
He ain't eat all day. No more drinking. Hungry ass motherfucker. Look at his lips. Dry as a motherfucker.
I'm a fucking flower, nigga.
Go ahead, man. We don't need to respond. We don't need no excuse.
Oh God.
Biscuit.
That style.
Stay your ass off the camera. You wasn't even playing, bro.
Exactly.
Yo, you need a couple of that string down in the chat. I'm doing this for the chat. The chat asked me to do this, okay?
Jaja, dog.
Damn,
I'm talking about.
the homeless right now.
120.
Can we play us? Are y'all playing music or no? I thought y'all was playing music. Tommy.
Okay.
What do you mean, bro?
I mean,
bro. Challenge complete.
Good shit, coming out.
Right.
You never watch your time no more. You're good.
Alright, how next? How after you, doctor? Jerome.
Yeah, Jerome and me.
Alright. Hold up, that shot's coming.
Sorry.
Okay, can we play a song?
That shit was way easier than the Popeyes biscuit, bro.
Wow. Alright, go on, Drew. Go on.
chips.
Go.
Naughty. Your turn.
Jay.
You can't wait to Jay for one string, you know?
Jay more. Yo, me Jay right now.
No, you put your string.
Jerome's gonna do it for me. Alright, Jerome. He said, yeah. What? Jerome said he was gonna do it for me. Thank you.
Yeah, I should have did it. I would have pulled the right one.
Nothing.
It's on Jay.
It's on Jay. You make myself feel alright.
100.
Pull this shit up, boy.
Hey.
Come on.
Ricky.
Nah, bro.
No, that's can't pull that.
Bro.
You can't pull that.
Alright,
No,
Memphis.
it's not.
Play Stevie Wonder. All I do.
Wait, why that one not come on?
No, it look like a wrong swinging pull.
Alright.
2 minutes.
Let me cut it.
Make sure the two of them know. Because some of them are two look like.
A 3-1. Them all them one time.
Man.
You look hungry. Look at your lips. Hungry.
Nah, try it. Look by the side of that
Look at your
motor.
lips. You looking hungry as hell. Feeling hungry. Feeling the poor. Oh my God. Hungry ass, heady ass. Oh my
Damn,
God.
2 of them.
Damn.
God, third. Sit down again now, please.
Damn.
Bucket.
You need some more in there?
Yeah, somebody alarm. Not turn off the alarm.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got a shot left.
Yo, Jamie, you want to grab the shot in the You look up, so biscuit suffice.
This one, I whipped cream more than grab one.
Oh, I forgot y'all play whipped cream too.
I'm not in the
Me, I put more whipped cream.
Yo, you gotta add to that. Yeah,
whipped cream, yeah, melt
that's
down.
just for the camera right now.
That's it? You did?
You gotta add to that.
All right.
Get on there, please.
Shotty room round.
Yeah. All right.
Wait, I ain't get the biscuit.
It's your turn, bro.
Man?
Yeah.
I want them
Yeah, look like you didn't need that biscuit that while ago.
Pussy the young man.
That's a high snack right there. He needed that. He don't even look hungry. He look like a high snack right there. It's like, yeah, I needed that. I needed that for
He rejuvenated.
Yeah, I didn't want
I ain't hungry. He was like, you know what? I'm high, bro.
The fuck was that you just pulled?
I don't know.
Who next?
Not even count.
Damn,
you up, man. See that?
That was wild.
Yo, I say y'all add another shot, man. Yeah?
Risk it for the biscuit.
Risk it for the
There's a shot.
biscuit. Risk it for
Oh,
the
shot.
biscuit. Risk it for the biscuit.
Rum. Shotty rum raw. I'm fuck up on pod.
Hold on, son. Don't get stupid with it, man.
Stupid. What's up? Right. What kind of little
Hey,
girl
so,
shot
nah, he
that?
wild with you, bro. You supposed to monitor your own shit.
Alright, next.
Pull this here. I will pull this here.
Jerome, you next.
I would pull this here.
Wait, no, not
somebody-
cut it.
that
Never
was-
pull.
Somebody knew
That never pull. That never pull.
See it here? No, you've been hanging out.
Nah, I've been hanging out.
So somebody must take a. I shot you after you shot in the pan.
Oh, next.
Bombo
Jerry,
Oh,
man,
whipped cream left over there down flour.
Flour.
Flour,
Flour,
shot,
whipped
and
cream.
whipped cream left.
Not something right there too. Or that's the one I just pulled.
Yeah, that shot, that's probably what Jay cut it.
Well,
Hey! Oi! Put
Leave
it
it,
down.
So the biscuit's in there?
We have more biscuits
That's
coming up.
crazy.
No, the biscuit not in there yet.
We not have more
Good
biscuit.
shit, good shit, good shit. No, he did it right there.
wait, that Jerome turn here. Wait, Kenny. You go?
Bro, I just took a shot.
Oh, true.
Oh, it's
Jerry,
two
my
things
feet
there.
there.
Two strings.
Oh, you're bombo clock!
We are.
Alright, make it better. Make that one. Go to keep that way out.
Come right and stand front there.
Nice.
10.
Yes. I love it. Cut it. Cut it. Yo. Cut it. Bro. Yo, bro. Where my run go? Come here, Jimmy. Come right here, sir. Come here, sir. Yes, right there, sir.
Yo, where your phone? You want to check your chat? Where your phone? Let me check your chat. Hey, up. Yeah, man. Oi, man. Hey, I know that I'm going in there now. I feel you. Do your dear. Game done. Game done.
Then we give me an idea. Fuck, come here, bro.
Ready, bro?
Watch out.
Wait, man. 1, 2, 3.
You know, I ain't got to know wait there on my party this.
Say cheese, bro. You have to look at the camera.
Say cheddar.
Yo, wait. Move the mic out there.
Say cheddar.
Alright, go on, bro.
Say cheddar.
I can't wait to take a shower, yo.
You have to look on the camera still. Ready, bro? Ready?
Watch out.
Doctor, leave.
No, you have to watch your head.
Niggas have looked on the camera.
Yo, clip that, man.
Yo, phone.
No, in the UI, you look back in the
Oh, no, you see that now.
Like that, you look back here and look back. Nah, he peeped it. He peeped it.
Yo, paper. I'm gonna put them boy at work and clean up my set car. Right now, we're frost out right now. And this
Yeah, we'll go for drinks until about 2 o'clock.
time shit.
Believe no, man.
And this has been another episode of Vybz Friday. This your boy Gyalis Jay.
It's your boy Tall, man.
340 J, you don't know.
That the sour.
Everybody is to clean up themselves. So
Nah, be a Ricky Rowan back here, so.
put some little tune on that, make it go on.
Juggling!
Catch us next week. I remember say next week is our house party week. Remember next week is house party. People remember catch us next week. Me and Juppy team on on my IG I make it know. So catch us next week.
When a big man my beard from last week.
Oh God Almighty. No, so maybe go get the vacuum quick. Me see what I'm going to burn this quick now.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, Livevybz.
I know I'm blessed.
Subscribe.
And I close my eyes and smile. Sometimes I feel like a just man in Babylon. And I've done my best.
Girl, I get the money if you make you mine. If you're loving every night, you make you mad. Now only you give me love and make me nice. Come rewind. Girl, I get the money if you make you mine. If you're loving every night, you make you mad. Now only you give me love.
World big. World big.
How would that? How that? How would that? Top girl, where am I? Top girl.
Gyalis Jay.
Spend cash for your boom boom, you
Link in bio.
Chrome jeans with the 2 grand kicks. Some bad dollar, you say with the full of antics. Phone load up a gal, they will say pics. Slave master when we they pull up them whips. Got a social chippy stack them chips. Can't make them your money, if you boy on this. If you chatty binds, I go stitch them lips.
Yo, world thing, I got a swag pop tag. LV shows match with the Louis box. Me no mismatch, me no mix brand that wrong. If you step on my shoes, you step on 3 grand. Designer expensive, watch a Cartier. Chain gossip from far, make gyal a draw near. Where we go?